Hello everyone. Welcome to EA Home Design. Thanks for joining. Today's episode we will know 5 popular American bedrooms design ideas. So let's start today's episode. Number 1. Simple gray bedroom. As one of the most frequently used colors for interior decor, gray is an option that is never out of fashion. This gray bedroom presents a clear and distinct aesthetic of modern bedroom ideas. Note the simple shapes and contours of the closet and wall. It is all about simplicity. According to the current fashion trend, a simple bedroom will remain in style for a long time to come. Thus, if you prefer a more contemporary and simple style, a gray painted bedroom may be the right choice for you. Number 2. Cozy plant bedroom. Feel that the bedroom decor ideas are dull and monotonous? Consider adding some plants. By placing a plant in a corner, the room will appear vital and more inviting. In fact, carrying a plant in your room has a number of benefits, such as purifying the air and relieving stress. Furthermore, a green potted plant will enhance the freshness of the room and create positive feng shui energy. Number 3. Warm Grige bedroom. Choosing grige as a bedroom color is a great way to create a relaxing and warm atmosphere. The color grige is not particularly eye-catching. As a neutral color, it has the effect of making a room calming and relaxing, which was exactly what the bedroom needed. Grige paint conveys a unique sense of coziness to this bedroom. Featuring a brown wardrobe and gray rugs, it is truly a comfortable retreat for a relaxing stay. Number 4. Golden and white bedroom. White paint may be mistaken for the absence of colors by some people. But actually, the white color is timeless and it can perfectly accent other colors, such as the golden accents in this room. With the perfect match of white and gold, this bedroom decor presents a very stylish and unique look. It is not a lavish appearance, but a delicate and elegant one, which will remain graceful and fashionable for many decades to come. Additionally, these bright hues can energize the space, refreshing your body and mind. Number 5. Luxurious bedroom decor. At first glance, it may not seem as luxurious as those golden bedrooms. However, the modern trend is all about simplicity, and a luxurious bedroom is more than just lavish paint. Gray and muted blues blend together to create a delicate master bedroom design. Using mirror-like closet doors, the lighting is reflected to brighten up and glam up the room. There is a decorative panel behind the built-in TV and shelves. With the soft lighting, this bedroom design is not only a treat to admire but also a retreat to rest and relax. Today our episode so far. If you like our video then please like, comment and subscribe. And EA Home Design is always by your side to decorate your home and make any changes.